Let's check the job vacancies in the Chennai Metro Rail Limited. Employment notice. Chennai Metro Rail Limited project requires efficient, experienced candidates and the competent person for the contract job for 2 years. Post code is 01. Name of the post is Assistant Manager Finance and Accounts. TY Manager Finance and Accounts. Manager Finance and Accounts. Pay is 40,000 to 80,000 per month. Number of posts is 1 post is vacant. Below 38 years candidate can apply. Minimum 2 years or 4 years or 7 years of the experience. That is minimum 2 years consider it. Age, qualification and experience as on 19/8/2020. High remuneration or post may be considered in the case of the candidate of the higher qualification. That is, depending upon the qualification, pay will be there. Required qualification and experience must be a chartered accountant or a cost accountant with a minimum 2 to 7 years experience. The candidate should having the good knowledge of MIS, indirect taxes and direct taxes. Selection process will be 2-stage process, interview followed by the medical examination. It's medical examination. Expenses for the first time medical examination, candidate has to bear all the expenses. However, in case the candidate seeks extension for joining, then the second time medical expenditure will be bared by the candidate only. To and fro expenses for the medical test shall have to bear by the candidate only. That means candidate have to keep the expenditure for the medical examination. Character and antecedents. Selection process does not confer any right to appointment unless satisfied after such an inquiry. Candidate's character and antecedents is suitable in all respects to appointment of service. Concessions and relaxations. Next, the age limit prescribed shall be 5 years. That means if 38 years they are already given, 5 years extension for the SCs, STs, scheduled tribe, scheduled caste. For the disabled person, 10 years relaxation is there. For ex-servicemen will be prescribed age limit plus length of service in or plus 3 years, that is 38 plus 3. Differently able person, 38 plus 10 years, that is below that age. Payment of the application fee including postage charges for the SC and ST are 50 rupees only. Remaining candidates rupees 300. For the disabled persons, no fee. And the demand draft should be in favor of Messrs. Chennai Metro Rail Limited, payable at Chennai. Check properly that demand draft should be drawn in the favor of Messrs. Chennai Metro Rail Limited. Fee once paid shall not be refunded at any circumstances. Application form forwarded without prescribed format is rejected. General conditions, only Indians. Age should be as on 19/8/2020. Next, contract period initially for the 2 years. The same shall be extended only on the terms and conditions agreed by the performance of the candidate. Depends upon the performance of the candidate. In order to regulate the number of the candidates for the interview, the management reserves the right to raise. Only shortlisted candidates will be notified for the interview. Acceptance or rejectance of applications will be at sole discretion of the management. No TADA will be paid by the candidates for attending interview. Travel allowance or dearness allowance not paid by them. They can cancel anytime the advertisement. Persons already working in PSU should have to PSU or the government sector has to produce no objection certificate at the time of the interview. Incomplete application without relevant enclosures, self-attested copies of the degree, marks, certificate. Without them, if you submit means they will reject the application. Candidates attempting to influence or interfere the selection process will also be rejected. How to apply? See here how to apply. Applications must be in response to quoting employment notification number. Application should be strictly in the prescribed format only. Name of the post applied should be superscribed on the envelope. That is, you have to write which for the name of the post you are applying. Candidates who fulfill the above requirement may apply in the hard copy, duly filled. You have to fill all the details of the application form, sign it, application form in the page number 5 to 7, and the application fee supported by biodata, self-attested. On the biodata also you keep your sign, certificates, keep education, your sign. Last date for applying is 18th September 2020. Prescribed applications must be forwarded. Demand draft should be drawn in the favor of Messrs. Chennai Metro Rail Limited. You have seen earlier that one. In the name of the Metro Rail only. Chief. Prescribed applications must be forwarded to CMRL through the post. This is the address you have to you have to send the applications. Demand draft should be drawn in the name of this one, beneficiary name, etc. Demand draft should be done. Applications along with the supporting documents may mail to the email ID before 18th September, and the application fee must be mentioned in the unique transfer. This is the beneficiary name, SBI account, this all will be related to. You have to take the demand draft. How to send address is above one. Through the post, the shortlisted candidates are required to submit the hard copy of the application, the small photo, passport size photo. Any or delay or loss in the postal any application or DD. Chennai Metro Rail is not responsible for delay or loss. Email queries may be addressed to dmhr@cmrl.in. Candidates shall compulsorily provide an email ID. Next, we will see the application form which you have to fill all the details, advertisement number and code, application for the post which you are applying, post code, and all the details, name in the capital letters, surname, etc. First name, middle name, fill all the details, father's name. Name, next category, next educational qualifications, work experience, everything you have to fill those columns. Next, application fee details, if selected, specify, etc. Extracurricular activities, list of the documents to be attached with the application form, that is date of birth proof, educational qualification proof, experience certificate, community certificate, application fee, demand draft if applicable, other relevant certificates if any. You please attach all the certificates what are mentioned there. Declaration, read and sign, place and date. You keep your signature there in the signature place. Thank you, friends.